Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today my supervisor and I are going to take care of this 9-drawer dresser and try to bring it back to life. So follow along. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove all the hardware, which are wood handles, so we'll be painting those. We're going to sand the piece down. As you can see, I've got a couple drawers out. Some of the tracks just aren't doing very well, so we're gluing them up, we're fixing them, and we'll get it corrected. So once this piece is done, those drawers slide in and out nicely. So first, get all the handles off so we can start sanding this piece down. My supervisor will, well, she'll be doing nothing again, won't you? Just critiquing. Okay, let's get to the handles being taken off. Alright, we got the handles off, which will get painted down the line. We're going to sand this piece down. Got our DeWalt sander, got our mask. We're going to use 80 grit. We're going to paint the whole piece, so we're just trying to get a nice grip for the paint with the sandpaper. So we're going to do it. Dog's sleeping. It's already been a rough morning. We've been working for 15 minutes, so she needed a break. I don't get one until the end. By then my wife will be home, so I still won't get a break. But let's get to sanding. 80 grit all over. Just a quick, simple sand. So the paint sticks. As you can see, I'm trying to hold off on sanding because I don't like doing it, but let's get it done. Alright, it's sanded, it's been wiped down, vacuumed out, and now we can paint, which is everybody's favorite part and the big transformation of this piece. This is a really nice piece for first time or beginner painters or people just doing simple projects, a weekend project. A lot of square lines, nothing really decorative on here to get paint clogged into. Small wedge brush, got pure white eggshell Behr prime and paint. And then what we do with the whites is we add 2 ounces of KXL. It's just a toner. It deepens the white, or it's supposed to, right? Making it easier to paint. So we're gonna give it a try here and see how it does. Hopefully 2 coats, in and out. Hopefully we can get this thing painted an hour and a half or so. Alright, this is a step that most people can skip if they don't want that scuffed up look. Now with Vintage Statements, we do everything a little scuffed up, give it that worn in look. So I've taken the sandpaper that I used prior to sand the piece down, and I'm just going to go around the edges, give it a nice little scuff, give it a worn in look. Now I didn't mention this before, but one of the reasons I take the handles off is just in case the person that buys this piece wants to put new handles on, it won't be just that ring around. They can take it off, it's all been painted, and the new pieces that they could put on will look just fine on it. So, sandpaper, scuff it up, and we'll go from there. All right, here it is completed, a pure white paint from Behr. We scuffed it up, gave it a vintage look, from garbage to, well, pretty nice farm style looking furniture here. If you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. Leave a comment or two, tell us how we're doing. As you can see, my supervisor's not out here anymore. She went inside to take a nap. So I'll do all the cleanup, and we'll see you in the next video.